Welcome back, and now we're going to do step 3, your scruffy property's price history. Currently we're doing a valuation on this property here in Birkenhead in the Wirral. So we're going to click on price history. First question, what did you pay for it? I can't remember, everybody says. So we click on this button here and it opens up this mouse price website, which is excellent. We go by sort by address and wait, and then we find your address there, and it's sold for £102,000 on the 15th of March 2006. So we go back here and we say £102,000 on the 15th of March 2006. Okay, and next question is, what do you think it's worth? The $1 million question. So you're going to have to put a value in here. What do you think right now your property is worth? So come up with a figure. So you could say, well, it's a scruffy property and I know it needs a fair bit of work doing on it, so I'm going to value it at £80,000. Or you could say, no, the house across the street, that sold for 120, and I think my property's worth that because you'll be able to do my property up in about 15 minutes with 2 cans of paint. Okay, so you put a figure in there. It's at this point you have to start to think. So put a figure in. If you're not sure, click on this button here and it will show you what's currently for sale in the area. Okay. Now if you know of a property that's been sold recently in your street, then there's an easier way. You can do a Google search and say it was number 4 Alpha Drive, Birkenhead, and it's a similar double fronted property. Go onto this picture. We've already looked this up before, so I'm going to click on here. It still brings you back to Zoopla, but you will see here it's got a little H on this screen, which means there's historical values. So we're going to click on that, and the house was previously listed for sale on the 3rd of May 2017 for £140,000. Offers over. Okay, it's now been archived and it's been sold, so there's some price over £140,000, so we're going to put in there 140,000 if your property's as good as this one. So let's just look on the inside and see what state it's in. Oh, it's quite neat, but it's dated. I can't see any central heating radiators. Oh, there's one there, so it does have central heating. It's got damp issues. Kitchens, I'd say that's a bit dated, but never mind. Yeah, so it's got bags of potential because the rooms are large. So coming back, you're going to put a figure in there. So what do you think it's worth? So I would say 120,000. Okay, and that means you've owned it for 11 years and it's had a yearly increase in value over the 11 years of 1.6% a year, or £1,636 each year. And that is that section done. So that's step 3 done. Next step is to cover repairs, and that will be covered in the next video. So see you next time.